Welcome to PC Mac. Today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and install WordPress on your OpenMediaVault with the help of Docker and Portainer. Before starting this video, I would like you to please go ahead and press the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification for our latest videos. So let's do it. In our last video, I have shown you how you can go ahead and install MariaDB and PHPMyAdmin on your OpenMediaVault. So let me just take you to the website and show you. So the document is right here. We have installed PHPMyAdmin with the help of MariaDB on OpenMediaVault. Now I'll show you how you can go ahead and install WordPress on OpenMediaVault. So WordPress will require MariaDB as the database, as the backend database for it. So let's just click on this document. And we have already did everything with MariaDB. It's installed and I have configured it. You can go ahead and check the last video. I'll leave the link in the description as well. So let's go ahead and open the OpenMediaVault, and the IP address is 29 and I'm using port 90 for my OpenMediaVault. So here I am. Let me just go ahead and log in. So I'm logged in here. Let's just save the password, OMV extra, Docker and Open Web. So I'm logged in here. Let's just click on this and I have some images already downloaded. So the WordPress is already here, WordPress latest. And let's go back to containers and show you that I have MariaDB already installed here on port 3330. Now the port used by WordPress is port 80, and for our PHPMyAdmin we are using port 8095. So for WordPress we are going to use port 8099. So let's just go ahead and add container and name it as WordPress. Publish the port 8099, port 80. Move down to volumes, map one volume. Now let's go back here. So we need var www html. So let's just go ahead and type the path and click on bind. Copy the path from here. So I name my container as WordPress. So it will create a folder with the name WordPress and it will bind to this local path, that is var www html. Now let's move to restart policy unless stopped, and then we need to move to environment. Now in the environment we need to create these environments, that is WordPress DB host, WordPress DB user, DB password and WordPress DB name. So let me just go ahead and do that. So now what we need to do is type the DB host, that is 192.168.1.29, and then the port number used by MariaDB is 3330. The user is PC Mac, password is password, and database name is WordPress. So that's done. Let's just go ahead and deploy the container. So the container is successfully deployed, and as you can see the port number is 3330 right here, and the WordPress is starting. It's running successfully on port 8099. Let me just take you to MariaDB as well and show you that everything is correct or not. Duplicate and add it. So let's go to environment, and from here you can see the root password is password, database is WordPress, user is PC Mac, and the password is password. So everything is good here. Let's just go ahead and deploy the container one more time, and in between let's move here and type the IP address of our OpenMediaVault :8099. That's the port we have mentioned in the container. So hit enter and check whether it's working or not. So you can see the WordPress started and it's asked for the installation guide. So let's just go ahead and click on continue, and let's name it as the site title. So learn with PC Mac. Username will be, let's name it as PC Mac, and then the password is password. Confirm, let's just put the email address, and you need to click this option, discourage search engine for indexing this site. Otherwise Google will rank this website in Google search. So let's just click this one and install WordPress. Now it will take a moment. As you can see, PC Mac, your password, your chosen password, and then just go ahead and log in. And let's go ahead and log in. Click on remember me, save the password from here. Now we are logged in to the dashboard, as you can see, and we can go ahead and check whether WordPress is working absolutely fine or not. So how we can check it? By downloading something. So let's go ahead and click on themes and check. We have some themes available here. Let's just go ahead and click on add new and try to add a theme. So let's just add this theme, install, and check whether it's working fine or not. So it's try to install it. Why I'm doing it? So if there is any problem downloading anything or installing anything on our WordPress, then there will be a problem with the permission. So we need to set the permissions as well. So I have installed it. Let's go ahead and activate it. It's successfully installed. That means WordPress is working absolutely fine. Now we have this right here. We can visit the site from here. You can see it's working. Now we can do one more thing. Go to dashboard again and go to plugin and check whether we are able to add any plugin or delete any plugin or not. So let's just go ahead and delete. So delete is also working absolutely fine. Let's just go ahead and install anything. Let's just go ahead and install Tiny MCE Advanced. That is the editor I'm using. Let me just go ahead and install it. So this one is also installed. Let's go ahead and activate it. So it's working absolutely fine. Let's just click on add new. So right now it's taking block editor. So it's working. Let's just click on save draft. So the document is also saved. You can see it's working absolutely fine. So the WordPress is installed successfully on OpenMediaVault. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll try to answer your questions. Second, if you want any other tutorial on WordPress, you can also write me down in the comment section. I'll try to make videos on your suggestions. Now that's it for today. If you like my work, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for my latest videos. Share this video with your family and friends. Stay safe in your house. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.